In this video, we'll be looking at subject-verb agreement with expressions of quantity and subject-verb agreement with there is and there are. Let's begin. With most expressions of quantity, the verb is determined by the noun that follows of. Here are some examples. Many of the children are wearing hats. Children is plural, so we use the plural verb. Some of the flowers are pink. Flowers is plural, so we use the plural verb. A lot of the bouquet is white. Bouquet is singular, so we use a singular verb. None of is used with a singular verb in formal English, but it is often used with a plural verb in informal spoken and written English. One of, each of, and every one of take singular verbs. Here are some examples. None of the books is new. So in this example, we have none of with a singular verb, and this is the formal way to write this sentence. Number 2, none of the books are new. So in this sentence, we have the plural verb, which goes with books, but this is the informal way to use this. Number 3, one of my friends is here. So even though friends is plural, with these expressions, one of, each of, and every one of, we use a singular verb. Number 4, each of my friends is here. And number 5, every one of my friends is here. So as you can see in all 3 of these examples, there is a singular verb. A number of is an expression of quantity. It is always followed by a plural noun and a plural verb. The number refers to one specific number. It takes a singular verb. The number is the subject of the sentence. Let's look at these examples. Number 1, a number of the children are wearing hats. So in this sentence, we use a number of, and this is an expression of quantity. So it's like saying a lot of the children are wearing hats. So in this case, we have a plural noun and a plural verb. Number 2, the number of children in the picture is 11. So in this case, we have the number, which is actually the subject of the sentence, and we have a singular verb. So in this case, the number is not an expression of quantity. Subject-verb agreement with there plus be. There plus be introduces the idea that something exists in a particular place. The subject follows be when there is used. Let's look at some examples. There is a just married sign on the back of the car. So there comes first and then the verb, the be verb. After the be verb is where we have the subject in this type of sentence. So sign is actually the subject. Sign is singular, so we use a singular form of the be verb. Number 2, there are several cans tied to the car. So again, we have there and the be verb and the subject, which comes after the be verb in this type of sentence. Cans is plural, and so we use the plural form of the be verb.